What is the least common multiple of 5 and 6? Well, in order to find the least common multiple, we want to list out a bunch of multiples for both of these numbers and circle the first number that appears in each list twice. So let's write out a bunch of multiples for 5. Okay, so we'll skip 5 times 1 because it's 5. It's already there already. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. And let's do one more. 5 times 7 is 35. If I have to keep going, then I'll keep going. But let's stop right there. Now, let's list out a bunch of multiples for 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. Ooh! Now I have a 30 down here and a 30 up there. And 30 is the first number that shows up in both lists that's in common. So we circle the 30s, and then we could say that the least common multiple, sometimes abbreviated as LCM, is 30.